have a question here. The question says that the structure can be found in the where. Look at this structure. Where can it be found? Now we have different options here. The options are, we have the sympathetic and the parasympathetic, the central nervous system only. Now when we talk about the nervous system, we have the nervous system is divided into two major categories. We have the central nervous system and we have the peripheral nervous system. And if you look at the central nervous system is divided into two. We have the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is divided into three. We have the forebrain, we have the midbrain, and we have the hindbrain. If you exploit the word of peripheral nervous system, we are looking at the peripheral nervous system is divided into two. We have the somatic nervous system and we have the autonomic nervous system. But before looking at the two types of peripheral nervous system, what are peripheral nervous system? Peripheral nervous system are nerve cell that is outside the brain and the spinal cord. Now I've just said that they are divided into two. They have the somatic and the autonomic. The autonomic nervous system is divided into two. We have the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. Now what are these nerve cells? What are these nerve cells? Now when we talk about nerve cells, they are also called the neuron. Okay, neurons are the basic unit of nervous system that are responsible for the transmission of impulses within the body. Now within the body is talking about the body, both the brain and the and our external body. Okay, now if you look at the structure, this is the structure of a neuron. The neuron has three major components. We have the cell body. This place that you are seeing here is a cell body, and this cell body consists of the nucleus. We also have this thing that you are seeing here, this dash small this thing here, this small branches here, they are called the dendrites. And this thing that you are seeing here is called the axon. And the nerve cell or the neuron is divided into three. All right, the neuron is divided into three. All right, we have the sensory neuron, we have the intermediate neuron, and we have the motor neuron. Okay, now if you look at the structure of neuron, like I said, the procession of information, transmission of impulses. Now when, for instance, now you carry your hand and put inside hot water, immediately what you do, you withdraw your hand immediately because the water will hurt you. Now what happened? What really happened there? Now immediately the neuron, the nerve cells in the hand will as you put your hand in the hot water, immediately the nerve cell will transmit that information directly to the brain for procession. The brain will process the information and it will come back to the hand. Now make you interpret that the water that you are putting in your hand is hot, so withdraw your hand from it. So immediately you remove your hand. Do you get that? So what has played there is what we call nerve cell. So the nerve cell connects the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system together. Do you get that? So our correct option is what? Peripheral nervous system and what? Central nervous system. Not sympathetic. Sympathetic is for only peripheral. Okay, why we have central nervous? No, the nerve cells have the neuron. Look at the structure of the brain. This is the brain, this is the spinal cord. All right, now outside here, this is peripheral. Let's just say this is your body. Okay, now these nerves here connect the peripheral. This is let's just say this is the nerve cell connects the peripheral. This is peripheral to what? To the central nervous system. Will connect it. If something happen here, it will take it here for procession. All right, so our correct option is what? Peripheral and what? Central nervous system. For more of these videos, subscribe to Ojema YouTube channel. You can follow us on Facebook on Ojema Online episode. Don't forget to like this video, share and comment.